You said never let me go. 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 You said
Hello shoppers, we have received this amazing scooter from GOTRAX store for the evaluation purposes, and we would love to share our personal experience. This scooter has a pretty and attractive color, sturdy construction and lights up wheels. Additionally, with premium bearings and durable wheels, this scooter ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, with optimal features like an anti-slip deck and rear brake. Adjustable handlebar heights make it ideal for children aged 3 years and above, promoting outdoor play and adventure. Lightweight and portable, this scooter is easy to carry and store, making it a great gift for kids to enjoy and grow with.